job to be done in bottom are 6 and 9. One grade will ask you in Kampal Hadim. Yes, Kampal Hadim. Up to now, no estimate has been prepared, but I am seeing Kampal Hadim train at the low line area. You don't know your subject.
Okay, any other issue? What is the issue?
See, Mayor, I'm referring to G. Suda where you said the entire drainage system of 19.
That is already confirmed.
What is confirmed? What is confirmed? Again, under 14 Finance Commission. Here they said G. Suda will do the entire city. Alright, you have said it. पंचकरण कोण कसलो मेयर आणि गांधीनगर चोकले नॅशनल थिएटर विकूंक जाय मिटींग दवरल्या फोर्टिंग मेयर नॅशनल थिएटर विकूंक सोदता
विकून झाले विकायचं काय खबर असते नाही म्हणून मिटिंग दवरल्या कळलं देव पडलं का
पेंजिम वॉन्ट
अरे एजेंडा असा एजेंडा डिस्कस करपा असता एजेंडा डिस्कस करपाचो एजेंडा डिस्कस करपाक दिना आयटम नो एजेंडा नंबर 16 म्हणटा एजेंडा नंबर 17 म्हणटा उलयला कित्याक काडला एजेंडा कित्याक त्या मिटिंगेक
आणि तो आमचो कमिशनर आता आय डोंट नो तेजी ऑलरेडी एक केस घातल्या थिंगा डेट एडवोकेट लोयला कॉन्टे फ्रॉम मारगांव ऑन द गार्बेज ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट ऑन हिम एंड ऑन द अर्बन सेक्रेटरी
आम्ही जिथे असं लास्ट मिनिट पर आम्ही फाईट करतले नॅशनल थिएटरा खातीर नॅशनल थिएटर विकपाक दिवचे ना आम्ही कशेच आम्ही कोर्ट आणि सगळीकडे फाईट करतले नॅशनल थिएटर विकूंक जाय म्हणून यांच्यानी दिवाळीच्या दुसऱ्या मिटिंग दवरल्या आणि आमकां आता एजेंडा वाचपाक दिना
ना नॅशनल थिएटराचो पॉइंट लास्ट मिटिंग येयलो अर्जंट मिटिंगेक आता फॉर कन्फर्मेशन नो
कितें जालें पळय नॅशनल थिएटर मॅटर कमिशनरा फुडें आयला फॉर हियरींग तो खंय खंय भोवलो शेवट कलेक्टरान डायरेक्ट केलें कमिशनरान हियरींग घेवपाचें म्हणून विदावट हियरींग द मॅटर तो कंप्रोमायजाक पयर ताणें एजंडा हाडलो आमी ऑब्जेक्ट केलें हाका आमी सांगलें कितें तूं डे टू बेजीस तूं केस घे एका म्हयन्यान केस डिस्पोज कर कितेंय कर तुका दिसता अशें कर तूं जज तुका रायट आसा पूण विदावट तूं हियरींग घेनासतना तूं कंप्रोमायजाक हें नाका म्हणून त्या दिसा ते उगी रावले आज पळयत जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी कन्फर्म मिनिट्साचेर पास केले कॉम्प्रोमायज करपाचें थरयलां म्हणून हें केलें आमचें हें करूंकूच ना तें ऑब्जेक्शन सारकें घालूंकूच ना आज तुमी म्हणटा ते आरे खंयचो जज हियरींग करनासतना कॉम्प्रोमायज पयलींच करया म्हूण सांगता तूं पयलीं ताका आफय न्ही तूं तुजी ऑर्डर दी मागीर ताका हाड कॉम्प्रोमायजाक तुमी आज 1 करोड रुपयाची प्रॉपर्टी विकपाक काडटा हां कसलो कमिशनर हो
आणि ताका विचारला तुम्ही जी सुडाक परमिशन दिला फॉर एंटायर सिटी ड्रेन विच विल लास्ट फॉर 20 years आणि आज मी आनीक हाडटा कितके कोटीची ड्रेन ही करपाक हें कितें चलना तेमकां ते पयशे काबार करूंक जाय असलो मेयर आमी केन्ना पळोवंक ना हू डजंट अंडरस्टँड ए न बी
येस
पीपल ऑफ पेंजीम विल शो देम in this coming election. If people of Panjim have got any self-respect, they will show these people.
दाखयतले तांकां म्हणजे काय
Yes.
देव दाखयतलो हांकां मिटिंगे उलोवपाक
Yes.
दिला मरे कावन्सील मिटिंगे उलोवपाक दिला
आता तुम्ही बॉयकॉट केलं हे आता
हय
What happened?
What about this class issue and all?
Which,
See
yes,
what
we
happened is
said
that earlier.
whichever clerks are there, you give us the name. Whichever people you are renewing, give us the name. Now what has happened? Babush had promised people a Panjim and Taligaon will give jobs. तो आता सगळे म्युनिसिपालिटी घालतात त्याने 15 वर्ष आपले जे लोकांक म्युनिसिपालिटीन घातले आणि सामके दिवाळी काढले पणजी म्युनिसिपालिटीचे. You see?
So you are boycotted for what reason?
We have boycotted because they are not allowed to
उलोवपाक
speak.
दिला मरे आमकां एजेंडा तुम्ही हाडटा एजेंडा डिस्कस करपाक दिना
हय.
एजेंडा कॉल आउट करीत रावता एजेंडा नंबर 12 एजेंडा नंबर 13 एजेंडा नंबर 14 अरे आमकां 12 उलोवंक जाय 13 उलोवंक जाय
हय.
14 उलोवंक जाय 15 उलोवंक
We have been
जाय
elected
आमकां
by the
उलोवपाक
people
दिना
of Panjim to discuss.
आमकां लोकांनी
Threat ban.
निवडून दिला आमकां
Huh?
इतकी दादागिरी आमच्या हिस्ट्रीन केन्नाच पळोवना आमी इतकी दादागिरी
हय.
हे दादागिरीक लोक तुका हाका उत्तर दितले लोक म्हणजे काय लोक ताका उत्तर दितले
In February people will show them.
नॅशनल चेडे विकपा खातीर इतकी दादागिरी जाल्या लोक दाखयतले हांकां हेंच्यानी नॅशनल चेडे विकूनच
Staff who are getting millions salary, they are paid. But I, as a contract staff, half my staff is of Jisuda and half of CCP. Today is the 5th of the November. Diwali has gone by without our salaries. All the daily wages were getting 500 rupees a month. Salary is not given to us as yet. And they want to appoint more staff. From where the money will come? 20 crores have to come from the market as rent. I have written a letter to the chief secretary to file a CBI inquiry here. 35 crores have to come outstanding of house tax, trade tax and signboard tax. Whose father will bring in all this money? What is all the recovery officer, what is all the legal section of CCP doing?
What was the agenda and why ex-mayor can walk out?
No, so there were a lot of points in the agenda. I don't know over which point he walked out exactly. But I just like to say first that this is not the way somebody, he was an ex-mayor also now, that is not exactly the way he should carry himself. Okay, and he's also now an aspiring candidate for whichever party he wants to stand for. But we want to apologize for that first. But second, we had a lot of other works that, I don't know which point particularly he was talking about. But
But he was talking about the National Theatre that...
What is the exactly issue of the National Theatre?
see now that National Theatre now has been pending in court for some 13 years. Okay, so now we know for a fact that we'll go into court for another 5 years or even another 10 years also now. See now the CCP is in desperate need for funding. Okay, now the outstanding over this past few years now has been like some 37 crores. Okay, so now even if we want to plan like say any initiatives for the city, we cannot because we do not have the funding. So now we are hoping to settle the National Theatre thing basically for an alternative means of income. Now he is accusing us of wanting to sell the property and all, which is stupidity. Now what we've done is we've approached the government to grant us a 15 crore special grant for next year. So we want to utilize that money for the development of National Theatre. That is basically it. He is just unhappy because it wasn't done in his time and it's done during our tenure. That is it.
Now, is CCP trying to, the way he is trying to saying that CCP is trying to sell the...
See, Baba, first of all, now everyone knows what Uday is like. He would have sold his building also if it was possible. Now, we are not interested in any of that. So, we are doing everything properly. All our documents and everything are ready for all of you to scrutinize at any point also. You all can sit for our meetings. There is nothing for us to hide also.
See, we are taking a very practical approach
Yeah.
for this. Have we go the normal way, he is insisting that hearings take place. Hearing is going to take place, it's going to take a long time, individual hearing. Till the time the matter is heard and disposed, and if it is disposed of, whoever the aggrieved party will go into appeal, the next set of hearing will take place. By that we don't know how many new councils will come in and the building is going to come down. So in order, in the interest of the CCP, interest of the Panjim citizens, residents, and in the interest of our own coffers, we decided we'll enter into an agreement with the parties, we'll withdraw the petition, and we'll see what is the best we can work out. That is why we put it to the council for the approval.
With the same party or whichever party approaches?
No, there
is only one
present
party.
occupant, there's only one.
There's
person.
only one.
So the same one?
Yes.
Say, yeah, the one guy whoever is it.
Who is that lead owner?
Rao.
Rao.
No. So he is satisfied whatever you compromise on that.
For that we require the council approval to approach him and talk to
Yeah.
him and bring him to the negotiation table.
So now it has been approved
It has been
also.
approved.
Yeah.
Now you will go ahead with it.
Yes,
We'll go ahead with it, yes.
No, but any amount which has been pending by the earlier party or something, which has to be paid to CCP or something like that?
We'll have to check all of that actually.
That will be
We'll
verified
check.
from
I'll get the
account
ATO to
section.
give you all the details and everything.
Talking about recruitment,
There is no recruitment.
There is no
We are not-
recruitment
We are not
only.
recruiting anybody. There are only 181 staff which was there earlier or with us now. It's just because the
See,
contract
normally
has passed.
we renew it every 3 months, but now we've just decided to renew it every 6 months because it's one less agenda point that we have to take forward.
There is no addition.
Nothing,
No
nothing
addition
at
at
all.
all.
Nobody has been added.
No, and secondly, he is accusing CCP of not paying salary.
Salary.
Hmm?
What do you have to say? Contract salary and all the
First, we have paid everybody's salary. You all can check also. I will give you all the details after this.
He had resigned from this post of
That is his choice.
harassment.
People are free to come
That
and
is
walk
his
out if
choice,
they
no?
want. We cannot stop them.
Yeah.
But
He can accuse anyone of doing
everybody
anything,
has
no?
been paid.
He also says that when CCP you have to collect such amount of money, why you need this and all. At least get this money.
See, that is what we have told you now. We have decided ourselves only to keep it on hold until we settle the market issue. See, it is a long pending issue and it's a very difficult issue also. Now, I have full faith in Pramay. I'm sure he will get everything done also.